And you just book one of those in our lending, or I would say lending tree, but it's what they call the
Linktree. Yeah.
link tree,
Yeah,
right?
so right from our Instagram, you can access our Linktree account. And
Yeah,
if you click on it, there's book a consultation. You can book a buyer consultation, you can book a seller
there
consultation,
you go.
or you can even just book like a quick 15-minute chat. And, if you want to just discuss your personal situation, right?
Real
So,
quick, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
real quick. So, either way, you can go that route.
One of the most obvious things that agents do is show property, right? They go take you out, open the door. Here's the bedroom. Here's the kitchen. The good old. It's not
stating the
like you can't
stating
see
the
if the bedroom.
obvious.
Yeah, but you in being in the house with people, you don't know what to say. But I try
I
to.
hope you know more than that to say.
But it's like I'm kidding, of course,
I
but
know.
like you're feeling the air, right? You're feeling the air, and you feel like Vanna White a little bit, like to the left, to the right, but um, nonetheless, it is about pointing out the features, right? So you walk through the house, you show them the house, you get them, you make sure the house is safe. That's a big thing. A lot of these homes are locked with a key box, so you need a special thing that's in our phone now, right? With technology, you get in there, it records who came in, what time you came in, what time that box was opened, what time that box was closed. So it's a big security thing, um, for us to be able to give to our sellers primarily, right? But as a buyer's agent, you're providing essentially a timeline there.
Yeah, I mean, and we're scheduling appointments to see the property. We're coordinating all of that with the listing agent and the seller, so that we can schedule the tour for our clients and get them access to properties that are not on open house, right? Because if people think that that's the only time that they're gonna see the house is at the open house time, a lot of listings, they don't even have open
You're gonna
house.
miss about a third of the homes.
Yeah, you will miss a lot of the inventory if you are solely relying on open houses.
We tried sometimes when they go on the market on a Wednesday. Open houses are generally on a Saturday, Sunday. You might not even see it because people will jump on it Thursday, Friday, make an offer, try to get it off the market because they really like it, and you never even got a shot. So, yeah, having an agent that has set you up with an automated search that alerts them as well, right? So it alerts everybody that, hey, a new property came up because you set the criteria to be specific, because you got their needs. It's so intricate to set these triggers in the MLS, or whatever system you're using, that it alerts us when something specific hits their their needs, and
Well,
we
time is of the essence when something
big
hits the
time.
market, especially if it's a rare property or a very upgraded property. You definitely want to jump on it as soon as you can.
Yeah, and then finding out, like, because I have clients that sit in the house and they're like, okay, how much are they asking? And they're like, maybe they've only seen a couple houses. They're like, I love this house, but is this too much? Is it not? Is it low? Is it high? With like no idea. So we provide them a comparables, right? So we can show them what's sold in the neighborhood recently, as close as we can match to this house and what it's sold for. And if you can see multiples, you see a trend of what things are selling for, and it lets you put that property in a place where you can see more or less what it's worth, right? It's pictures, it's doing the research to give that, and a good agent will give you that information on the home before you make the offer.